Hey Scots, I'm Christian. Welcome back to Scots Weekly.
Hey everyone, I'm Jackie.
Do you like getting free stuff? Say yes. Well, you can get free t-shirts, sunglasses, sweaters, and fanny packs.
Pretty fancy, I know. And here's how you do it. Introducing the Plaid Awards. And all you need to do is to show pride, leadership, attitude, integrity, and determination inside and outside your classrooms, and you could get some points from our Highland teachers. So tell your teachers about it.
Once you earn one single point, you could enter a raffle, a weekly raffle, and try to win a prize.
And when you do want to redeem all your points for a little prize, go to 3A to talk to Boyer to get yourself an award.
Now let's see some of the awards by watching some videos.
Man, I am bored. Wait, I have 30 points. I just get free shirts from 7K. What? Oh, okay, man, I can't wait. Oh. Oh, I'm Alfredo, by the way.
Hi, Alfredo. Mr. Moreno, how can I help you?
Oh, I'm just here to claim my prize. I have enough 30 points for...
Oh, you collect enough Plaid points?
Yes.
Can you explain to me what you collected them for?
Oh, I got it for being
Participation?
Participation and...
Leadership, attitude, pride, integrity,
theory.
Participation. What teacher acknowledged you?
Mr. Z.
Mr. Z. Wonderful teacher, isn't he?
Yeah.
Awesome. I have a shirt for you for 30 points if that's what you want.
Yeah, definitely.
Absolutely. What size are you, buddy?
Large.
Large. Let me get that large for you. Alfredo, here's the large, buddy. Hopefully it fits you.
Dude, what? What? It look cool.
Absolutely. You keep doing what you do, Mr. Zavala's class, and we got plenty more prizes to give away.
Oh, really?
Oh, I will definitely tell all the students.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, thank
keep
you. I
up.
appreciate it.
Go.
Bro, this is mad cool, bro. Like, this shirt, bro. I'm so glad I got 30 points, bro.
Hello? Can you guys hear me? This thing, it's working, right? It's working. You guys, am I coming across well? What's going on, Scots? It's your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. And do you want to know how to get dripped like that? Whoa! I'm going to show you how to earn Plaid points. Plaid points are in-school currency that you can earn by showing good pride, leadership, accountability, integrity, and determination. Here are some ways you can earn Plaid points. You see that piece of trash right there? Now you throw it away. And that's how you show good Plaid.
I saw you doing something positive, so here's your reward for being a Plaid member.
Thank you, thank you.
Ma, it's cold. I wish I had a sweater. Well, I got this sweater now.
Wow, that sweater's awesome. Where'd you get it?
I got it for my 40 good behavioral points.
Wow, I wish I had one of those. That's awesome.
You can get it for 40 points.
I'm gonna go do that.
What's going on, Mr. Z? I've been saving up my behavioral points. I don't like to get one of those sweaters.
Here you go, man. 40 points will get you this nice sweater. Here you go, man. Have a good one.
Thank you. You too.
Hey, Scots. Have you ever worn a stylish fanny pack? Well, do we have the news for you. The easiest way to get a free fanny pack is to earn 15 behavioral points from your teachers. Let's have one of our students model our fanny pack.
Where's my fanny pack?
Right here.
Wow!
It's blue, has a strong zipper, and it can hold plenty of your items, like your claw clip, your phone, your Febreze, your keys, your remote, your chapstick.
Gosh, it's so bright outside. I wish I had some sunglasses. Oh my god, what is this? Sunglasses? And only for 10 points? That is so cheap.
Few moments later, 1 eternity later, 3 days later, 12 seconds later, 3:28 a.m. 8:01 p.m.
get here. Wow, and only 10 points? So cheap.
You! What are you wearing?
Highland gear.
Me too! Where'd you get it from?
I got it from Plaid Point.
What's that?
Plaid Points is when you're on your best behavior and you do your work and you're on time in class. And you could get a free sweater like me.
Wow! Wow! I'm gonna be on my best behavior!
Those seem a little expensive, right? Well, for 5 points, you can get a Highland decal, a ribbon bracelet, or a towel with the Highland logo on it.
Well, since we all know that tickets are expensive for us high school students.
You can save up to 20 points, so you can use those points to take off $10 from your prom ticket.
Yes, prom is coming up soon, so be ready.
Also, for 20 points, you can go to a Super Scots social during each quarter.
So start getting some points for all your teachers.
Well, that's all I have to say about the Plaid Awards, so remember to Plaid up our Highland.